So Ragini, Shantanu, Anisha. Kiran is joining. She online, no? Vallabh. Okay. So guys, we will be starting with the topic. So if you remember, we have done SVM theory. SVM is slightly a complex one. We'll do later. Okay. We have finished in unsupervised harmony algorithm. If you remember, I teach you something known as clustering. In clustering, we have done hierarchical and k-means. Same way in unsupervised, we have something known as PCA. If you do PCA, guys, your unsupervised is done for you. Are you getting a point? 3 algorithms. We have 4 algorithms, 4 to 5 only in the unsupervised. Okay. So my suggestion will complete this first. So what happened? Your unsupervised is done for you. SVM is supervised. This is slightly difficult to understand. That's the reason I always prefer to take last. But I make you read the theory. Okay. So guys, any question in clustering? Easy hai as compared to any other models. Okay. We'll do revision of clustering also, and then we'll move to PCA also. Okay. Just cross check. Have you written theory for PCA? Last time I think we have written now.
No, sir, we haven't written on PCA.
तो clustering भी done also ना, तो उसका theory ठीक है. अच्छा, last is the clustering one. Guys, log into your PCA code, everyone. Log into your drive. What I can do is share the code also with you. Meanwhile, you run. Some people get error. Inform to me. I'll come to the laptop and cross check. Okay. किसने फाइल एडिट किया वो फिर से? Guys, I have given the PCA folder. Download the file, run the code. So meanwhile, code is running. We will write the theory. It will save our time. If anyone getting any error, just inform me. Okay. क्यों डिलीट कर रहे हो आप लोग? ठीक. For our online. So Anisha, Kiran, Ragini, Shantanu, 448. Priyanka is not there. Have 2 files. Online students, I'm repeating for you again. You just have to go to a drive, go to machine learning, go to PCA. Inside PCA, you have 2 files. Download the file, run the code.
Done, sir.
आप लोगों ने पीसी पढ़ा होगा ना मास्टर्स में? Guys, once you are done for running is done. Okay, guys, write this one.
Decision tree or random forest with correlation with it.
Like correlation itself possible.
Linear.
लिखो Guys, what can I do? Okay. So you can write theory later. I'll explain the concept and I'll do the Python. Theory we can write later also. Okay. Fine, everyone. Online students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll change the screen, guys. We'll first start with clustering one. Now, guys, why we use clustering, guys? Anyone? The clustering is used to make a groups. Okay. How we make a group, guys? To by calculating a distance. Okay. So you see, we do grouping row wise. So clustering is to do a group. Okay. Grouping is done row wise. To do a group, we take something known as distance. Okay. We use Euclidean distance. Number one. Second, after computing distance, we compute minimum distance, which is called as linkage. Till you clear, everyone? Okay. What type of data we required for clustering, guys? Numbers. The same way, I'm just giving an overview. We have PCA. PCA is called as Principal Component Analysis. Okay. Here in PCA, we compute variance. To compute variance, guys, what type of data we require? Can we compute variance for gender? No, not possible. So we require data has to be numeric. Got the point, guys? So data has to be numeric. Common point. PCA is also used to make group. Okay. Here we make group. Column wise. Got the difference, guys? Now here we have column. On what basis we say, guys, columns are similar? Two columns are similar. Perfect. So we say similarity based on column wise using correlation. If two columns have high correlated value, we call that they are similar. They are highly correlated. Correct. Whichever variable is highly correlated, we club them. We club and make them something known as PCA. So we compute correlation matrix. In that matrix, we found highly correlated variable. Till you clear, guys? Here we do minimum wise. Here we do highly correlated wise. Here also group, here also group. Concept clear, guys? Easy. PCA is for grouping. To compute correlation, we require data has to be numbers. So PCA required numbers data. Here we have to make group column wise. To make group column wise, we need to compute relation between columns. So whichever variable have high correlated, they will club. And after clubbing, we get something known as principal component. I'll teach you what is the meaning of this. Till you clear? Guys, clustering is supervised or unsupervised? Unsupervised. Unsupervised means no target variable, no label data. So PCA and clustering are the part of unsupervised learning algorithm. Till you clear? Draw this. flow chart for interview. You can say like this way. Please do fast now. I'll finish in 20 minutes. The concept. Last week I've taken holiday, 11, 12, 13. 18. Then I have 8, 11, 12, 13, no lectures. 14, 15 देना मुझको ठीक है आपने साइन yesterday lecture was yeah, correct. Once you've done this one, just inform me, okay? So 14, we done. It's plus 2. There's 19. Don't be serious. Okay. So I guys done everyone.
Yes, sir.
Anyone can explain, you two people, what is the difference between covariance and correlation? Is moving forward. You do not have to write, understand this. Correlation means two data points. Correlation means relation between x1 and let's say x2. Two independents, okay? And here we have answer coming in terms of percentage. Then co means two. Variance means computing variance of two data points. Here we are not computing correlation, guys. We are computing variance between x1 and x2. Difference, no? This formula, remember, xi minus x bar the whole square upon n minus 1, mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance. That variance we're doing, guys. Okay. Here covariance give answer in terms of value. Same skill. Okay. Clear, guys. Any question? So prior, guys, what happened in the world? Covariance was invented after certain years. Okay. Scientists invented correlation. When covariance was invented, Another scientist have make algorithm called PCA. The PCA works on covariance and correlation works on percentage. The another algorithm we denoted call as FA. FA you do not have in your syllabus, guys, but I'm just giving a point. Factor analysis. So PCA works on covariance, FA works on correlations. Clear? Now when I say value, guys, how many diagram we have for scatter plot in correlation? 3. Which are 3? Positive, negative, and no correlation. This pattern of diagrams come from covariance. But the point, so covariance give you the direction whether they are positive or whether they are negative. That is called as value. Clear? Easy. So covariance always give you the pattern. What's the difference between covariance and correlation? Shall I move forward? Okay, I'll take a data set. Let's say PCA is used for grouping. And guys, we do grouping based on column wise. Okay. So today we have only boys in the class. Let's have a discussion. Let's say, guys, I take example of kitchen. Do you know what is the kitchen? What are the things there in kitchen, guys? Vessels, grinder, mixer, और क्या होता है? Fridge होता है. You say, guys, the boys are giving in the kitchen. We have oven, refrigerator. और क्या होता है? Grinder है, mixer है. Girls, confirmation. Do we have everything in the kitchen? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So these are the products. So can I say in the kitchen we have steel appliances, we have electronic appliances like your refrigerator, oven, fridge. Okay. In your, let's say, kitchen, we have vegetables, we have, let's say, fruits. Okay. We have, let's say, some small boxes to keep the groceries. Everything will be there in the kitchen, and then we'll have your gas, stove, and so on. These are the part of kitchen. Clear? I'll take a small scenario for that data only. Clear, guys. This is the data which I have taken, where we have 3 customers. 3 students have reported their data at their home. So they have pulses, they purchase methi, they have taken spoon, they have plates, they have bowl, oven, refrigerator, apple, banana, grapes at home. Okay. Can I say every person is independent? Okay. Now second, guys, when you go and purchase apple have any relation with oven? At my house, if I have 2 oven, okay, I will purchase more apple. So can I say apple is independent of oven? Now, guys, in the house, when you leave, okay, if I have purchased 2 methi, it's a reason I should have higher number of bowl. In relation, we have that. So can I say every X is independent? How many X have taken, guys? 10. Easy for understanding. Can I say every X is independent and every row is independent? Can I say every data is given in number format? Data clear, guys? Understanding clear? Can we call this is unsupervised data? Online students, can you speak, please?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Anisha, Kiran, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Once again, I'm not able to hear you.
Yes, sir. Just noting down the table.
Anyone can speak again, please?
Hello, sir.
You are.
Yes.
So guys, here we have 10x. Every x is independent. Every customer, every row is independent, and every data comes in value. So when every x is independent, we call this data belongs to unsupervised. Clear? Next. Okay. Now logically, guys, okay. Looking at this data, can I call Methi and pulses should come in the category of which? Spoon, plate, bowl should come in the category of steel appliances. Oven, refrigerator should come on electrical appliances. Correct? With apple, grapes, banana should come on fruits. Clear? Who teach you guys कि apple, methi should come in veg and not in fruit? वो भी तो खाते ही है ना? We eat fruit, we eat vegetable, which is a methi and pulse. But you call methi and pulse as vegetable, but not fruit. Why?
We cook methi and pulse. Now we can't cook
We
banana.
can banana also, no? There is a vegetable comes. Okay, there's a hotel called Banana Leaf. You go over there. It's famous for banana vegetables. Pan India level. So they make any vegetables using banana. That's a specialty. So normally every people do like Gujarati people or Marathi people, they eat banana and they make vegetables also. So why can't we say vegetable, pulse, methi should come in fruit? Pulses sometimes we can eat raw also. So vegetable क्यों बोलते हैं? Why not fruit? That is my question. Priorly, we as a human being have categorized this. And same way your teacher have teach you from your childhoods. कि ये vegetable है और ये fruits है. Do not mix this. So can I say we require some type of trainer, some type of teacher who can teach us? Now same teaching you have to do your system. You have to teach your system. To teach your system, okay guys, we required something known as a method or some types of calculations because laptop understand numbers. So we use a concept called as covariance, or you think like correlation guys to avoid confusion, okay? We use correlation. Whichever variable is highly correlated, that variable will club and become one group. So how many X we have? 10X. How many groups we make guys logically? Can I say my variable get reduced from 10 to 4? So PCA is called data reduction technique. Concept clear guys? Easy. Anyone have any question can ask. I'm open. You can see from your okay. So I just club that. Pulses, methi, then steel appliance, electrical appliance. These are the names given by me. These are the names, naming ceremony. Technically, we call as PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4. Concept clear? So this clubbing is done based on correlation. Clear? Any question, please ask.
So coordination में कोई रेफ्रिजरेटर का स्पून से ज्यादा कोई साथ उनका भी कुछ
Correct. उनके ही बन जाएगा.
तो उसमें हम लोग मतलब लॉजिक कुछ यूज नहीं करना
Logic कुछ नहीं. There is no logic. guys.
ज्यादा काम में
Computer don't follow logic. Computer follow rules. So the rule is correlation. Whichever variable have high intercorrelation, that variable will get clubbed. Simple way.
मतलब मेथी का बाउल से भी आ सकता है बाइनरी से भी आ सकता है
तो आपको एक मैट्रिक्स बनाना है. जो हाई कोरिलेटेड उनको क्लब करना है.
तो खुद का इनपुट नहीं डालना है
खुद के इनपुट से निकालना है. ये logically I have made just to make you understand. Clear? Online students, any question, please ask. Okay. Now, guys, the variable which I have, pulses, methi, spoon, bowel, can I say every variable is independent of the time? Okay. Can I say every variable is independent? If I compute a relation between independents, we call as what? Correlation means relation between. Book open karo. Linear regression. Padho. Anyone can explain correlation, please to me? Here we have y. How can you say it's correlation? आगे पढ़ो. The correlation is between x and y. Something you have. Collinearity is between x and x. So can I say, guys, when I compute a matrix of correlation, can I say I'm computing collinearity? Clear? Whichever variable is highly related, highly correlated, that variable will club. Concept clear? So we have multi-collinearity in the data. We club them and we make a group of them. Clear? Anyone have any question? Okay. So PCA is used for two things. Is used for data reduction. Second, also used to control data reduction. Means here we have 10x. Okay. And we make how many groups? 4 PCs. So can I say from 10 we get 4 columns? And this 4 column, guys, has to be independent. If these 4 columns are independent, can I say I control multicollinearity? Concept clear? Any question till now, please ask. Anyone have any question? It's from my side, 60% concept done. VIF we use, but what happened? VIF we remove that variable. So loss of information. Here we don't remove, we club them. Which is better? You have 100 rupees, give to me or keep in your pocket and club. Got the point? Got the importance of PCA? Any question, Rahul?
some data collection based on multi-correlation. Multi-correlation should be there, then that column should be.
If multi is not present, can you compute correlation? So we cannot club them. If we cannot club them, we cannot do a deduction. So in between X, there has to be relation present. If relation present, then only I can club them. After clubbing, when I see that is called reduction technique. So from 10X, we make 4 PCs. This 4 PC you can call as 4X. We just make 4 groups. Clear, guys? Online students, any question?
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes. In terms of numbers,
Hmm.
हम जो डिस्टेंस कम होगा वो मतलब ग्रुप करते हैं.
यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस
terms-
नहीं है, यहाँ
नहीं.
पे है कोरिलेशन.
हाँ, इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेरिएबल
हाँ.
कंप्यूटर को कैसे पता चलेगा मतलब ये रिलेटेड है या ये.
Correlation matrix. I have teach you linear regression. Remember correlation matrix? Okay, let me open for you. You are present at time of linear regression.
Yes, sir.
What is correlation at that time? Here, how many X I have taken? 10X. Okay. Here, how many X I have? 3. Okay, and 1 Y. If I make a matrix, what is the matrix size? Remember this part?
Yes, sir.
Now you think every variable is X. Just for thinking. Okay, understand. Which two variable have high correlation? Can we say TV and sales?
Yes.
So can we say they are similar? So can we club them?
Yes, sir.
So here we do clubbing based on correlation. Same way, I will compute correlation matrix for all 10X. हाँ, वो तो सेम रहेगा ना. जो लीनियर रिग्रेशन में पढ़ा वो फिक्स है, यूनिवर्सल. Nobody can change that. Clear? Or should I repeat? Shantanu?
Clear, sir.
So output matrix में आएगा फिर नहीं करता.
एल्गोरिथम आपको क्लब करेगा, लेकिन क्लब कैसे करेगा? The question comes, algorithm do clubbing for you. How it club for you? That I'm teaching you.
बाद में सर ये पूरे ग्रुप का एक यूनिक वैल्यू आएगा.
हाँ, आएगी ना, वो सब आएगी. Till here is a brief concept. ये clear हो गया? Okay. I'll take a small scenario for you. You need to remember this. Okay. Okay, this is your correlation. I'll close this one. I'll take another example where I have done calculation manually, and this number is verified with the software. Can you see this data, guys? Here, how many X I have? A to J. 10X. Every variable is independent. Can I say every data is number? Can I compute correlation between them? I just make correlation matrix. ये clear हो गया? Where we have high correlation for price, guys. Horsepower, and second resale. So can I say price, horsepower, resale have high interrelation? So I will club them. Everything is executing like this way. Never think this way. Okay. Now how the calculation works at the back end? See that. This matrix which I have, guys, same matrix I copy pasted over here. Till clear? Original correlation matrix. Do we have anywhere negative numbers? Okay. What I do, I convert negative to positive. Clear? Any question anyone have? Can you do sum of this column? How much I get? 5.32. Second column, third column, and so on. ये clear हो गया till resale. Can I do sum of sum? Is how much? 58.73. Guys, remember point number 1. We have how many x? 10x. Looking at this, guys, can you tell me how many groups possible? Any idea? So, no idea for grouping. For column groups. Okay. To get an idea, we compute correlation. Clear? In correlation for every variable wise, guys, I have done sum and then I have done overall sum. ये clear हो गया? What is the overall sum? And for this column, what is for the first column? Price का कितना है? 3. Clear. Now 5.3 divided by square root of 58.73. Tell me what is the number?
The price is given, na?
Price is x1.
Okay.
Overall sum. सारे कॉलम का हमने सम किया 1 by 1. Okay. Then उन सारे सम का सम किया. How much? 5.32 divided by square root of 58.73.
0.694.
0.694. Okay, whatever the number is. Same number, guys, I'm getting in Excel. You can see over here. The way I do for one column, can I do for remaining columns? Second कैसे करेंगे मतलब? Square root of 58.73. For third one, ये clear हो गया, guys? Any question on this? Now, guys, as you said, as we know, we do not have any idea how many groups I have to make. Okay. Can I pick up any random number of groups? Like in K-means, you pick up any randomly groups? So initially, I'm making how many groups I want to make? How many PC? 3. 3 PC means 3 groups. How I selected this, guys? Random. Clear? I've random had taken 3 groups. Okay. Using 3 groups, I have done with the first grouping parameter. Clear? I'll write first PC. Okay. The first PC I have over here, guys. Same number I copied and pasted over here. Same number 0.69. Anyone have any question? Please ask. Okay, this 2 point you have to ignore. It's not a part of the algorithm.
basically variance निकाला.
हमने क्या कंप्यूट किया? कोरिलेशन का सम और उसका रेशियो. Clear? Anyone have any question? Please ask. I'm open to any questions. This is your clear guys. How many groups I make? 3. ये groups हैं. Okay. First, second, third, and these are my variable names. कैलकुलेशंस है. कैलकुलेशंस और देखना है. ये नंबर्स आ गए. फर्स्ट पीसी के नंबर्स क्लियर हो गए. I have written this number in row, this number in column, the black one. I just multiply 0.69 by 0.69. Row with every numbers. I get this matrix. Okay. Wherever I get, then I do subtraction. This number, table number 1 minus table number 3 will give me table number 4. Then there are negatives. I convert to positive. Then I do column sum, overall sum. Each sum, each of column divided by square root of overall. So I get second one. Calculation is not important. That's why I skipped for you.
This is for second group.
This is for second group. Clear? How I get the second number?
तो जितना भी आप लोग रैंडम नंबर सिलेक्ट करेंगे वो repeat करना.
हाँ, repeat करना है सिर्फ. Now guys, I'll ask you a simple question. Give me simple answer. Do not think too much. What is the equation of linear regression? Guys, you are saying I'm writing up. Y is equal to plus E. What is beta naught? Intercept. Anything else we call as? Beta naught is also called as mean of Y. ये clear हो गया? Now guys, which topic we are learning? In PCA guys, do we have Y variable? Can we write the equation like this one? So let's say ignore Y. If Y is not there, can we compute mean of Y? Do we have X? So can I write beta 1 x1 plus beta 2 x2 plus how many x we have? So beta 10 x10. Got the equation? Can we compute error over here, guys? What is the formula of error? Y minus y hat. So here we do not have y, we cannot compute. So this is equation of PCA. ये clear हो गया? Now the number which we found, this number is my 0.69. This is my beta 1 coefficient. How many groups I make, guys? 3. So कितने Z है हमारे पास अभी? 3 Zs होंगे. Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, Z so on. This is your Zi. So I'll have my Z1, Z2 and Z3. ये clear हो गया? Any question online students, please ask. So guys, this equation, this is nothing but my Z1. This is Z2. This is Z3. Clear? Yes, Valla. कोई क्वेश्चन है? हाँ हाँ, अभी कॉलम्स आएंगे ना, ये मैंने लिखा है सेफ्टी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, इसको इग्नोर करो। आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग ये जो नंबर्स विच वी कंप्यूट, ये नंबर्स है क्या? दिस नंबर्स आर Z1, Z2 and Z3. Now question comes, we need to club the columns, remember? Okay, now here we have column, so this value 0.69, okay, the number which I have over here, the number which I have over here, this number are nothing but correlation numbers. Right now we make from correlation only. The first column is price. Price have high correlation with which component? Z1, Z2, Z3, where we have high relation with Z1. So which variable we combine in Z1? Second, which where we have, guys? Again coming in Z1. Second, third. Most of the variable are coming in Z1, guys. Clear? Ignore the negative and positive sign. Just look at the number, because correlation can be negative also and positive also. Can I say this everything will come in one group? Will that clear for you now? Samjha. These are coming in group number 1. So when I make group 1 will be a combination of price till fuel. In group 2, where we have high relation, where it will go? That too. Got the point? So from price till fuel efficiency will make PC 1. Resale combine and will make PC 2. ये clear हो गया? Now should I start from the scratch? चलो फिर से रिपीट करते हैं। नहीं, एक पॉइंट है, the value which we find 0.69, these are nothing but my equation, my model name. Okay, now guys, we have 10x. How many groups I make? 3 pieces. How I decide the 3? ये clear हो गया? Now question comes, I should know how should I make, how many groups should we make? Data should say to me. To identify how many groups has to be made, we use eigenvalues. Clear? If the eigenvalue is more than or equal to 1, that group is possible. Any eigenvalues less than 0, we cannot make. More than 1, possible. Less than 0, less than 1, not possible. What is the eigenvalue for the first case, guys? Can we make group? The first is possible. Second is how much? Possible, more than equal to 1. Third one, can we make 3 groups? So what should be the, how many should be the best answer for the number of groups? 2. Got the point? How we decide the number of groups first? हमने randomly 3 बनाए, लेकिन eigenvalue से you should make 2 groups. But still here the concept of 2 groups clear for you? Now I will do, I'll copy this to 1. समझा, ये 2 cases select हुए हैं. Guys, any question please ask. One simple and easy topic is this one. हमने सिर्फ correlation किया, ये सब software देख लेते हैं. First we take data. How many x? 10x. we compute correlation. Then हमने क्या किया उसका column sum. Correct? Then we compute one overall sum. Then what we do? Each column sum divided by square root of overall sum. जैसे हमने एक के लिए किया, we get 1 PC. Clear? Similar way, guys, we have to do for second one. ये क्लियर हो गया Z1 Z2 कैसे आया अभी ये जो नंबर है हम उसको क्या बोलेंगे Z1 एंड Z2. ये पीसी डेटा नहीं है, ये पीसी मॉडल है, अभी डेटा बनेगा इससे. चलिए क्लियर हो. How to decide how many groups we have to make? We use eigenvalues. चलिए क्लियर हो. Any question please ask, otherwise please again.
सर आई हैव अ डाउट. जैसे हम लोग अभी वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करते हैं ना, टिल 10 वी हैव टू फाइंड लाइक डेटा इज इक्वल टू 10, राइट?
Yes.
सो सारे सिनेरियोस में 10 तक ही फाइंड करना.
10x है ना, 10 वेरिएबल्स है,
सॉरी 10x का.
तो हमें कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स से सारे x का मिलेगा ना हमें.
ओके.
Guys, you forget linear regression. This is the matrix.
यस सर.
This matrix I have used.
ओके.
Do you want me to repeat?
नो सर गॉट इट, बट छोटा सा कंफ्यूजन है कि जब हम वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं ना, सो 10x आई मीन 10 वैल्यूज तक फाइंड आउट करना, लाइक Z1 Z2 Z3.
No. ये Z1, Z2, Z3 is different.
ओके.
First we compute correlation. Guys on screen, I do the maths only. दो steps रह गए. ठीक है? I compute correlation 1. Correlation clear?
यस सर.
After computing correlation, what I do? Wherever there is a negative, I convert to positive. ये clear हो गया?
यस सर.
I compute column sum. This clear?
यस सर.
Okay. I write hashtag creating Z1. Okay. To create Z1, I follow the steps. What is the steps I do? I just do column sum. Then I compute overall sum. Then what I do? ये क्लियर हो गया अनिशा?
यस सर.
Using these steps, what I get, guys? Z1. तो ये Z1 number clear हो गया for everyone.
यस सर.
Do you want to write equation now? Okay. Next, I have to compute Z2. So I have taken this Z1 numbers and I make the matrix.
ओके.
Same in row, same in column. If you see the black color, same number I have in row and column.
यस सर.
I just multiply 0.69 with every column number.
ओके.
0.89 with 0.69, 0.89 with 0.89, 0. Second row, third column. Second row, fourth column.
ओके.
Second row, fifth column. Got the point?
यस सर.
Well, clear. This way we multiplied. This multiplication clear for you. This is table number 3.
ओके.
Table number 1 is original matrix. Table number 2 is your piece Z1.
ओके.
Now I want to find Z2.
ओके.
Okay. Now this Z1, Z2, Z value, I say I want 3 pieces. How I decided these 3 guys? Random. So how many Z I want to make? Z1, Z2, Z3. These three I selected randomly, Anisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm doing Z2 for you. In Z2, I just multiply Z1 into Z1, which is your table number 3. And Z1 is what? What is Z1, guys? Which table? Table 2. Till you're clear, or should I repeat? What is table 1? Correlation matrix is your table number 1. Now I am finding table number 4. To get table number 4, table number 3 minus, okay, sorry, table number 1 minus table number 3. ये clear हो गया? 1 minus 0.48. What is the answer? 0.52. Are we getting same number? Do we have negatives? After having negatives, what I do? I convert to absolute. Which table, guys? 4. What I make table number now? ये clear हो गया?
ये Z2 का table है।
अभी वो बन रहा है, बना नहीं है set. Table number 5 clear, Anisha?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what we do in the start? Remember, we do column sum, overall sum.
Yes, sir.
In table number 5, what we will compute? Column sum. What we will compute? Then what we do? Column sum divided by overall sum. तो ये हमें क्या मिलेगा? Table number 5 only we are working, no? हाँ, absolute भी कर रहे हैं, उसी में calculate कर रहे हैं. In table 5 will give me Z2 clear. Same way, can you compute Z3? Repeat from Z number 2. Now clear, Anisha? Anybody want to repeat? I'll repeat again, guys.
Clear, sir.
Shantanu, clear for you?
Clear, sir.
तो हमने कितने सेट्स बनाए? 3. How many equation I have? 3 equations. Okay. Now question comes, do we really want to make 3 groups? 3 group is possible or not? To find that, we use eigenvalues. What is the threshold for eigenvalues? More than or equal to 1. So anywhere we have eigenvalues less than 1, third one. So this is not possible. So we cannot make third group. We can only make 2 groups. Now clear? If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat again. हमने 10 ग्रुप्स 10x थे, हमने रैंडमली कितने सिलेक्ट किए? 3 पीसी. लेकिन आइगन वैल्यूज ने कितने बोले? 2. तो 3 रखते हैं हम. हाँ, कंडीशन क्या है? अगर जितना हम नीचे जाओगे तो आइगन वैल्यूज इतनी कम होती जाएगी. So we'll go for 4th and 5th and question. If here you have 10x, grouping means your group has to be less than x. Na? So can we make 20 groups? Max to max 10 and minimum 1. Till you are clear. So how many groups we found out of 3? 2. So can I say this 3 will get replaced by 2? Till you are clear, Anisha, Shantanu, Kiran, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question comes, we have two PCs, two Z1, two Z1 and Z2. Now which variable is going in which Z? Which variable will form one which group? So if you look at the price, look at the value which is highest, Z1. So price will go in Z1. Engine size, Z1. Can I say all this variable are coming in Z1? Ignore sign ना, it's a ये बीटा नंबर से, बीटा नंबर नेगेटिव हो सकते ना? चलिए क्लियर.
प्राइस में फिर वो 0.25 बढ़ा है 0.8
नेगेटिव साइन इग्नोर कीजिए.
इसका मतलब
Absolutely. Okay. Now guys, according to you, okay, or if you think like this way, let's say go with the Rahul way, can I say this are coming in one group? Second, नहीं वैसे नहीं, correlation है ना, उसको negative positive से कोई difference नहीं होता. Because when we say strong correlation is more than 70, either positive or negative. So this will make which group guys? PC1, or we can call as Z1. And resale will come in PC2, or we call as Z2. Got the point? Which variable are clubbing and making a group? कौन से variable combine होके कौन सा group बन रहा है? हाँ वो अलग से हो गया, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. It's a scenario. If you want, I will change the number. I'll make this as 0.61. I'll make this as 0.84. Now you tell me. Clear, clear. In first group, how many variables are coming? From price, how many coming PC2? Okay, approved. Got the answer, which variable is going in which group? So how many X we have? 10. How many groups we make? 2. Can I say, guys, my data get reduced? That's why this is called as data reduction technique. ये clear हो गया? Any question till now, please ask. Last concept, 2 minutes. हाँ. कोई बाकी है?
Sir, will you please repeat about data reduction?
We have 10x and we make 2 groups.
Okay.
So 10 to 2 can say we reduce the number.
Okay.
So that reduction is called data reduction.
Okay, sir.
Clear. Guys, any question you have, please ask. I'm coming to the last point. After that, I will stop.
ये टेक्निक को लेने वाले से क्लब नहीं कर
इसमें why है? Guys, पहले concept समझो, फिर relate करो. Concept clear हो गया, point बाकी है, complete नहीं हुआ है concept. Concept is remaining. 80% done, 20% remains. Now, guys, we have 10x. Can I say, let's assume the variance for 10x is 78,000, correct? ये एक variance आ गया. Can I say this is 100% variance for my data? जो है वो है. So whatever amount of money I have in my pocket, that is 100% of mine. Same way, the variance of my data is 7800. That is the variance of my data. It's 100% for me. ये clear हो गया? Out of that 10 groups, 10x, how many groups we make? 2. That 2 groups combine and explain how much percent variance? 83%. कितना परसेंट वेरिएंस अवेलेबल था हमारे पास पहले? 100%. Okay. So we have how much percent variance? 100%. उसमें से कितना परसेंट हम एक्सप्लेन कर पा रहे दो ग्रुप्स के यूजिंग 2 groups? And how much percent I am not able to explain? So 17% data is, we don't know how it get clubbed, but for 83% data we club. We know how it's clubbing. So 73% क्या हो गया हमारे लिए? Loss. 83% is the accuracy for clubbing. Clear? Any question can ask. To compute eigenvalues, guys, each value को square किया मैंने. Each value square and sum will give me eigenvalues. Okay. Total how many x we have? 10. How many number of variables we have? 10. So 5.70 divided by 10 is how much percent? 0.5 multiplied by 100. 57%. Got the point? What is the eigenvalues over here? Divide by 10. How much? 0.26 multiplied by 100. 26%. Got the point? How we get this number? 26. This number clear? Guys, it's my Excel file. Predefined formulas I put over here. Don't worry. See, I just done manually only. 5.7 divided by 10. Divided by 10. Count of data, count of columns. So out of 100% variance, how much we are able to explain? 83% data. मतलब 100 लोग हैं, उसमें से 83 लोगों को हम क्लब कर पा रहे और 70 लोग क्लब नहीं कर पा रहे. Back side the concept done. Any question can ask. The threshold for this variance condition, the percentage has to be more than or equal to 50%. How much we receive, guys? 80%. It's too good. This is nothing but percent variance explained only. Any question, please ask. From my side, the concept is done. I'm real life. Concept point of view clear. Variance, why can निकलता है सिर्फ? एक्सपोनेंस x बार नहीं कर सकते हो? स्टैट्स बोल गए हो, मीन कर सकते हो? लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं है ना ये टॉपिक, तो वैसे सोचना ही नहीं है. It's a normal variance. What is beta naught, guys? Beta 1 over here in Z1 into x1 plus into x2. What is the last x over here? Into x8. Equation clear? Can you put your data of x and multiply? That will give you output as a group. That is a prediction. Coefficient the same होते हैं ना, this are equal. So You will put all this first data. You'll put this data, the first one. If you want, I will show you. This is the first 2 customers. Okay, I copied this. Okay, I pasted over here. If you want, I take the column name also to avoid confusion. ये clear हो गया? Equation से Z1 into X1 plus Z2 into X2 plus Z3 into X3. This way you keep on multiplying. Once you keep on multiplying, you get one column for Z1, one column for Z2. That become your PCA group. We will do in Python, don't worry. Clear concept clear for you? Anisha, Ragini, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the concept is easy only. You can say that. Can I say we just doing a clubbing based on correlation? इसमें और कोई मैथ्स यूज ही नहीं किया हमने, ना ही कोई इक्वेशन डिराइव किया, ना कोई फॉर्मूला रन किया. We have done.
और एक सेलेबस का वो जेटी क्वेश्चन है वो value
Don't think about equation. I'll teach you equation in Python. Till you are done, guys. Look like heavy topic, bouncer. Okay. Guys, if no doubt, you can write the theory. Okay. Tomorrow when we have, I'll finish the PCO. Write this one. नहीं पहले आप ये लिख लो, हम एग्जांपल कल करेंगे.
सर पाइथन में भी इतना ही हार्ड है क्या?
Python में you just write 3 lines. If you want to see in Python, I'll show in Python also.
Sorry,
Python-
sir. Your voice are cutting.
Can you see the Python screen?
Yes, sir.
Only we read this much.
Okay.
And this is your data set. Okay. And this is you write. The work is done. वो जो आप अभी एक स्टेप से अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, जब आप पाइथन में देखोगे, I'll use for you guys write this one. So let's scroll down, guys. guys, this is the last one. I'm repeating, this is the last one. Guys, if done till here, we can stop. Online students, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow's timing, you have to come by 11.
Okay, sir.
Okay. For this entire week, you have to come by 11. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So done till here, we can stop.
Done for the dinner, sir? Or a
Yes.
break?
No, done for the day.
Okay, sir.
Official